Hello and welcome to Lachris Technologies. Okay, so before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below. Okay, so today we are going to talk about page numbering. So in your research, we are supposed to number the page I to any Roman numeral before we start from 1 2 3 from chapter 1. So all this place from declaration, abstract, acknowledgement, dedication, all these things comes before chapter 1. Good. So we will number these pages in Roman numerals. That is page, I think in my case is page 1 to 8. We will number it in Roman numerals. Then number the chapter 1 going in figures or numbers, the numbers that we know. Okay, so before we can do that, we can't just say okay, let's number the page, then we just go and click back numbers, then it will start numbering. When we do that, any numbering that format that we take, it will just number from page 1 going from this point onwards. Okay, so for some of us, we know how to number pages. Now we come to insert, then you go to page number, and then you either place it, you start from the current position or whatever, then you place it at the left top corner, or another format is here, that we will see one, then anything like, you just choose it from here. That one, most of us can do it. But to number from the beginning and then end somewhere with a different number format, and then start somewhere with another number format, that is what we are going to talk about today. Now, before you can do that, you have to do something first. You have to apply what we call page break. Now, before I apply the page break, you go to where you want the numbering for the first part to end, and then where you want it to start. So we go down, 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 and then we reach yeah, so we reach here. My chapter 1 is here. Please, this is not a real research paper. It's just some dummy text that I've been using for my tutorials. So this is it. Sorry. Okay, so we have our chapter 1, then this is where the chapter 1 will start. That means our page numbering for the Roman numerals will end on this particular page, this page. Okay, that's list of figures. So you come in between the page, the two pages here, where it ends and where the numbering should start. You click there. When you click, you'll not see anything. So you come to layout tab. When you come to layout tab, in the ribbon you see page setup. That's the page setup group. Then you click on breaks. So with the breaks, there are plenty options. We have the page breaks, and then we have the section breaks. So we will go to the section breaks, then we click on continuous. When you click on continuous, that means you are going to insert page break right at where you are, and then it will continue from there. But if you click on next page, it means it will create another new another page to what you are already having. So instead of maintaining what you have, it will insert another page. That is the meaning. So let's click on continuous. Okay, so now we hope it has taken effect. When we go to our, let's say our face page, come and click somewhere, then we go to insert. So with our numbering, when we come here, we have to go to format page numbers. Format page numbers. Now we choose the number formats. So we choose the I, that's the Roman numerals, and then we go to start at. So we start at, then we choose I. It has already selected I. We choose OK. So when we choose it, we are not seeing it. So it means that we have to first position where it should be. We haven't told where to position the numbering, either at the bottom left, bottom right, top left or top right, or top center, bottom center, or whatever. So we go to, let's say, bottom. So let's say the bottom, we place it at the center. So we select this one, so you can see the preview, then we click on it. So now we can see the I going. Now your page, you can see something like some lines. Don't panic, it's just the header and footer that is at play here, because the page numbers are not on the main page. They are in another section called the header and footer. This place, when you type, it doesn't come into this area. This area is a different area altogether. That is the footer. So to close it, go to the top, you see close header and footer. So you can now close it. So now we go down, you see I V, like that. So VI, then VII. So now we are not seeing the numbering. You can see 9 whatever here. So we don't want chapter 1 to start from 9. So we go to layout again. No, not layout, insert, then page number. Then we go to format page numbers. It has already selected 1 2 3. So we go to start at. So you should start at 1. You shouldn't continue from previous section. So we press OK. So when we press OK, we are supposed to start from 1. I think Word has inserted number which I'm not aware. Seems there's an invisible page or what. Okay, let me place it here again. Let me do it again. Format numbers. So we start from 1. Okay, we are supposed to start from 1. Okay, I think I've made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so okay, so we can see that we started from 2. Now with the page break that we chose continuous. Now when you choose continuous, it sees this area as another page for numbering. So that is it. So if I come to the top and I push this top towards the top, it means that this number will change to 2. That is why we got the 2 there. That is, so you have to be careful about that when you are numbering the pages. You can even try to have a VII and then another extra page, or you can decide not to have another extra page. Then you right click at the bottom, or you click, then you choose next page to create another page. Then you come and place your chapter 1 on that page, and then you are good to go, so that there will be nothing like spacing up there to worry your work. So that is how we do numbering. So now you can see 1 2 3, then we can see the I and whatever. Let's go and update our tables and you will see exactly what is happening. So here the declaration are not supposed to be in chapter 1 and those kind of stuff. So we go to update entire table, then you see declaration I up to this place, then chapter 1 start from 1 going. So that is how all these things work. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please look down below the video, you see subscribe button, then you click on it, and then you click on the notification button too, so that you will get more videos from me. Thank you.